Welcome to LTS Law, your trusted legal advisor for setting up a representative office in Vietnam. In this video, we'll guide you through the legal process, timelines, compliance duties, and real facts that foreign companies need to know when opening a non-commercial presence in Vietnam. A representative office in Vietnam is a legal, non-commercial entity that allows foreign companies to explore the market, promote their brand, and build relationships without engaging in commercial transactions. As of recent years, there are an estimated 7,000 to 9,000 active representative offices across Vietnam, with the majority located in Ho Chi Minh City, Hanoi, and Da Nang, the country's most popular business hubs for foreign investors. Unlike subsidiaries or branches, a representative office cannot sell products, earn revenue, or sign commercial contracts in Vietnam. Instead, it is limited to liaison activities, market research, and promotional work under Vietnamese law. Why do foreign investors choose this route? Because it offers low overhead, fast setup, and a flexible way to enter Vietnam legally. For example, the minimum capital requirement is zero, unlike a limited liability company, which typically requires declared charter capital. It's also the most popular setup for companies in industries such as logistics, education, software, engineering, and sourcing. These sectors rely heavily on building local contacts and understanding regulations before launching full-scale operations. LTS Law has helped over 200 foreign companies open representative offices across Vietnam. Our clients include businesses from Singapore, the US, Japan, Korea, Australia, and the EU, ranging from SMEs to listed corporations. One legal condition: your foreign parent company must be at least 1 year old and legally incorporated in its home country. If not, you are not eligible to open a representative office under Vietnamese law. The licensing authority is the Department of Industry and Trade, DOIT, in each province. Each DOIT follows a centralized application procedure, but may apply slight variations in documentation format or local administrative timelines. LTS Law handles every step, from document translation and consular legalization to application drafting, submission to DOIT, and post-approval compliance setup. Our average processing time is 7 working days after receiving complete documents. To apply for a representative office license in Vietnam, your application must include several key documents. These include the application form for establishment, the certificate of incorporation of the parent company, the decision to appoint the chief representative, a copy of the chief representative's passport, and either the parent company's latest audited financial statement or a valid certificate confirming its tax or financial obligations. You'll also need a valid office lease contract and a notarized power of attorney, authorizing a local representative or service provider. All foreign language documents must be properly consular legalized and translated into Vietnamese to be accepted by the licensing authority. Document legalization is where most applicants fail. Based on DOIT data, over 35% of rejected applications are due to improperly notarized or expired corporate documents. LTS Law ensures this is done correctly from day one. Once approved, your representative office receives a license for establishment of a representative office, valid for up to 5 years and renewable. After receiving your representative office license, you must complete several post-registration steps, including seal engraving, tax code registration. While not legally fixed, these steps are strongly recommended to be completed within 10 working days to avoid delays or compliance issues with the local tax and licensing authorities. Although ROs don't pay corporate tax, they must register with the tax authority for payroll purposes. If you hire staff, you are legally required to deduct and pay personal income tax, PIT, and social insurance monthly. Every year, all representative offices in Vietnam are required to submit an annual activity report to the Department of Industry and Trade before January 30th. Failure to comply can lead to fines of up to 20 million VND, 850 USD. In recent years, dozens, and possibly hundreds, of ROs in Ho Chi Minh City alone have been fined for late or missing reports, highlighting the importance of timely compliance. Your representative office can hire both Vietnamese and foreign staff. However, foreigners must have a valid work permit or exemption certificate and must be registered with the local labor department. LTS Law assists with full labor onboarding, from drafting bilingual contracts to social insurance registration and obtaining work permits or temporary residence cards for expat staff working under your representative office. What your RO can't do: issue invoices, sign contracts on behalf of the parent company, conduct sales, or receive payment in Vietnam. These are violations that could lead to license suspension or even forced closure. What your RO can do: promote the parent company's brand, attend trade fairs, act as a point of contact with authorities, collect market data, and prepare for full market entry in the future. Thinking of upgrading to a full company later? LTS Law can help you convert your RO into a 100% foreign-owned enterprise, or liquidate it smoothly if no longer needed. Cost transparency is key. Our complete RO setup package includes all steps: document preparation, translation, government fees, seal registration, and post-licensing tax setup. Our average setup time is 7 to 10 business days, provided your documents are complete and legalized. We'll provide a checklist and guide you through each milestone with real-time updates. After setup, we recommend ongoing corporate secretarial support to maintain full compliance. Services include annual reports, labor law updates, office changes, and legal reminders from our internal compliance calendar. Inspections do happen. The DOIT or tax office may audit your office activity, staff status, and filings. LTS Law represents your RO in such audits and ensures all documentation is correct and up to date. Need to change your RO address, chief representative, or company details? All changes must be reported to DOIT within 60 working days. We prepare all the required resolutions and filings for you. We work with over 1,000 foreign clients across Vietnam, from industrial multinationals to boutique consultancies. Our process is fast, compliant, and fully transparent, backed by a dedicated legal team. Ready to open your representative office in Vietnam? Visit www.lts.com.vn or email contact@lts.com.vn to speak with our legal experts. Subscribe for more updates on doing business in Vietnam the smart and compliant way.